Starting a business by selling handmade products is a fantastic option for budding entrepreneurs. Often, these ventures can be launched right from home with little initial investment. If you want to make money from the comfort of your home, let's explore these creative and profitable products you can create and sell from home. Hit the like and subscribe button, and let's start. 1. Paper flowers. Beautiful and lasting, paper flowers are perfect for weddings, home decor, or special events. You can sell them on platforms like Etsy or craft fairs, highlighting their eco-friendly and customizable nature. Create personalized flower bouquets for customers, adding a unique touch to every order. 2. Terrariums. These miniature indoor gardens are perfect for plant lovers and those with small spaces. Sell DIY kits or pre-made terrariums through online marketplaces and social media, showcasing their low-maintenance appeal. Offer customization with various plants and decorative elements. 3. Handmade succulent arrangements. Succulents are trendy, low-maintenance plants that appeal to modern homeowners. Create beautiful arrangements in custom containers and sell them online or through local plant stores. Emphasize their aesthetic value and durability for gifting or home decoration. 4. Plantable seed paper stationery. Create eco-friendly stationery that grows into plants when planted. Market your products as sustainable gifts or wedding invitations. Sell on eco-conscious platforms. Highlight the personal touch of sending someone a note that blooms. 5. Custom stickers. With the demand for personalized and aesthetic stickers rising, create custom designs for businesses, influencers, and individuals. Sell on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy, and offer bulk orders for small businesses looking for branding. Stickers can be made in various themes, from motivational quotes to custom art. 6. AI-powered custom art prints. Use AI technology to generate one-of-a-kind art prints based on customer input. These prints can be tailored to their preferences, making them great gifts or home decor. Sell online, emphasizing the futuristic and unique aspect of AI-created art. 7. Edible food wrappers. With sustainability becoming a major concern, edible wrappers are a revolutionary idea. Sell these eco-friendly alternatives to plastic packaging to food businesses or eco-conscious consumers. Market them as a zero-waste solution for everyday use. 8. Hand-painted planter pots. Offer personalized, hand-painted planter pots that brighten up any space. Sell through craft markets, social media, or local stores, allowing customers to request custom designs. Highlight their uniqueness and the fact that they make great gifts for plant lovers. 9. Dried flower bouquets. Dried flower bouquets are a lasting and stylish alternative to fresh flowers. Create custom bouquets and sell them online, targeting customers looking for sustainable and long-lasting floral decor. Offer personalized arrangements for weddings, gifts, and events. 10. Biodegradable glitter. Biodegradable glitter is perfect for eco-conscious event planners, makeup artists, and crafters. Sell through social media and eco-friendly platforms, emphasizing its environmentally safe nature. Target customers who want to add sparkle without harming the planet. 11. Zero-waste shampoo bars. Shampoo bars are a sustainable alternative to plastic bottles and appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Sell through your own online shop or partner with zero-waste stores. Emphasize the natural ingredients and eco-friendly packaging to attract health-conscious customers. 12. Insect protein snacks. Insect protein is growing in popularity as a sustainable and nutritious alternative to traditional protein sources. Package and sell snacks made from cricket flour or mealworms online, marketing them to fitness enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers. 13. Recycled ocean plastic jewelry. Transform ocean waste into stunning jewelry pieces. Sell your unique designs online or at eco-friendly markets, targeting environmentally conscious consumers. Emphasize the positive impact your product has on ocean cleanup efforts. 14. Smart fabric clothing. Smart fabrics that adjust to temperature or have built-in tech appeal to fashion-forward consumers. Sell your innovative designs through e-commerce platforms, highlighting the tech aspect and functionality. Target active and health-conscious consumers looking for stylish, yet practical clothing. 15. Cork yoga accessories. Cork is an amazing, eco-friendly material perfect for creating sustainable yoga gear. From durable mats to sturdy blocks and straps, Cork accessories offer comfort and sustainability. Instead of focusing solely on the environmental angle, cater to fitness enthusiasts by highlighting Cork's unique qualities. 16. 3D printed sustainable footwear. Revolutionize your wardrobe with 3D printed footwear crafted from recycled materials. These innovative shoes not only lessen your carbon footprint, but also provide an entirely customizable fit. Whether you're selling direct to eco-conscious fashionistas or partnering with forward-thinking brands, focus on the bespoke nature of each pair. 17. Air-Purifying moss frames. Bring the outdoors inside with living moss frames that double as natural air purifiers. These modern pieces are not just a beautiful addition to any space, they actively cleanse the air while requiring almost no maintenance. Sell to design-conscious homeowners or those seeking wellness-enhancing decor by showcasing their health benefits and eco-friendly appeal. 18. Organic herbal honey infusions. Infuse honey with organic herbs for a unique, health-boosting product. Sell through local farmers markets or online health stores, appealing to foodies and health-conscious individuals. Highlight the wellness benefits and delicious flavor combinations. 19. Smart hydroponic kits. Imagine growing fresh veggies or herbs right in your kitchen with minimal effort. Smart hydroponic kits do just that, making home gardening a breeze, even in urban settings. These kits cater to the tech-savvy and health-conscious, letting users grow organic produce year-round. 20. Bamboo accessories. Break away from plastic with chic bamboo accessories. Think stylish sunglasses, elegant watches, and durable phone cases. Bamboo's natural strength and beauty make it the perfect alternative for eco-conscious fashionistas. Focus on bamboo's renewability, resilience, and the sleek, minimalist designs that stand out in a sea of plastic. 21. Scented memory candles. Candles that go beyond fragrance. They evoke powerful memories. Imagine a scent that reminds someone of a beach vacation or a special moment in their life. Create custom-scented candles tailored for personal events like weddings, anniversaries, or even nostalgic moments. 22. Edible cutlery and plates. Say goodbye to plastic cutlery and plates. Edible alternatives are taking eco-friendly dining to the next level. Perfect for events like weddings or outdoor festivals, these edible tableware options leave zero waste behind. Highlight their sustainability and convenience for zero-waste events. 23. Solar-powered phone chargers. Solar power is no longer just for rooftops. Portable solar phone chargers are a must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors or wants to reduce their carbon footprint. With solar-powered charging, customers never have to worry about being without power, whether they're on the trail or at a beach. 24. Eco-friendly acoustic panels. Transform any space with acoustic panels that not only improve sound quality, but are also made from sustainable materials. Whether for home offices, studios, or commercial spaces, these panels provide an eco-friendly way to enhance soundscapes. 25. Art. Selling art from home allows you to tap into your creativity while making money. Whether you create digital art, paintings, or sculptures, sell through platforms like Etsy or social media. Focus on what makes each piece special: your individuality as an artist, the inspiration behind the work, and the fact that buyers are getting a one-of-a-kind treasure. 26. Bonsai Farming. Bonsai farming is a centuries-old art that combines horticulture and aesthetics, producing miniature trees that captivate plant enthusiasts. By cultivating and shaping these intricate trees, you can create living art pieces that appeal to collectors and home decorators alike. Sell your bonsai trees through specialized plant shops, online platforms, or at gardening expos. 27. Hand-poured gemstone soaps. Create luxurious, hand-poured soaps shaped like gemstones, blending natural ingredients with artistic flair. These vibrant, crystal-inspired soaps not only cleanse but also offer a decorative touch to bathrooms. If you found these ideas helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more business tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.